Hi, today I'm going to make milk and wine lily or Crinum lily. Very pretty and very easy to make. Materials required are crepe paper in dark pink or purplish pink, white and green, thick wire, a thin wire, pink colored crayon, green floral tape and some tissue paper. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the steamer. This is 0.6 centimeters by 1.25. Cut 6 pieces per flower. This is of the petal. This is 13.75 centimeters by 3 centimeters. And the stem is 2 centimeters by 1. Cut 6 pieces per flower. This is for the leaf. This is 25 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. Cut as many as you like. And this is for the bract. This is 7.5 by 2 centimeters. Cut 1 piece per stem. For the stemon, cut a piece of thin wire. So this would be around 8.5 centimeters long. Now I have cut a piece of white strip from the white paper, thin strip. Just stretch it and then just apply glue on it. And then wind it on the wire. Like so. Take the piece for the stable, apply glue on the reverse, and just stick it on top of the wire. Like so. And let it dry. After it has dried, just snip off the corners, the upper corners. So you get a shape like this. I've made the others the same way. Now cut a piece of thin wire about 10 centimeters long. This is for the pistil, and I've cut a strip from the pink paper, so just stretch it. So just apply glue and wind it on this. So this is how it will look. Now take the petal and the pink crayon and just sort of, starting from the base. So first just draw one stroke straight across vertically. And then just darken up this area, the lower side of the petal, till about halfway. Like this. And I'll do the same on the other side also. Like this. So I've done with the others also, same way. Now I've cut another piece of thin wire. This is about 16 centimeters long. I'll take a little bit of the green tape. Now take all these stamens together, hold them at the same height. On the pistil, so it will be like this. Now put this wire a little overlapping the bunch. And just wind this tape on it. come a little on the wire also, like this. Now take a petal and just stretch the base so it cups like this, and then just crimp the edge, just pull it in opposite directions so it has this kind of a look, and then just curl it lightly so it curls like this. So I'll do with the other also. Like this. Then just apply glue on the stem and a little bit on the side. Take the next petal, stick it, overlapping a bit, and stick the side. Again, the same way. Like so. And just apply glue on all the stems, a little on the last one, like so. Take the stamen center, just keep it on the stem like so, fold over one side and then fold this side over, so it will overlap a bit, and stick it. So it will look like this. So I have stretched the other three also in the same way as I did earlier. So just apply glue again on the stem and a little on both sides of the petal, and just stick it in the gap like this, and then just press the base so that it sticks. Like so. So I'll stick the other two the same way. So this is how it will look. Now just curl the pistil a bit with your finger, like so. Now take this tissue paper strip, cut about half of it, fold it and apply glue. So start from the base of the flower. Like this. So I've cut another strip from the dark pink paper, so just stretch it. This is about 1 centimeter wide and as long as is required to cover the stem. So just apply some glue and wind it from the base of the flower. like so. Take the thick wire and a long strip of the tissue paper. So just fold it in half. And then half again. Apply glue. And I'll wind it on this thick wire. Just twist it tightly. Like this. Now to assemble the stem, first take a long piece of the green floral tape. Stretch it. Take the thick wire and put the flowers. And start winding the tape. Then take the piece of the bract and just put it like so and wind the tape over. So I'll cover the whole stem like this. Oops. And towards the end, take the leaf and just attach them in the same way. Like so. And this is how the flowers would look.